If for any reason your sweeper's wheels come off, here's how to replace them.
First, you need to check if this sleeve is in place. This is what it will look like if it is. If it isn't, it'll look like this. In which case, with the sweeper upside down, remove the dust tray, the visor and the edge wheel. Then unscrew all 8 screws like this. Make sure these side bars are horizontal and pull these 2 sections apart, just enough to place the sleeve. Then replace all 8 screws and the edge wheel, dust tray and the visor. Now take your replacement wheel, making sure it doesn't already have the sleeve attached. Click it into place here and you're done. Replacement wheels are available from gtech.co.uk.